Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sakshi. So today I thought of doing a get ready with me video because it's trending and I thought if it is trending, why shouldn't I do it? So without doing much late, let's get started. So first thing I use in morning is this mist by Plum. It hydrates and freshens up my skin. So before doing any kind of makeup, I like to use this product. So let's do this. Then I tap my skin gently so that all the mist soaks into my skin and my skin becomes plump and makeup ready. So next I'll be using Skin Fruits Fruit Moisturizing Cream. It really works very well for my skin, but let me tell you guys that मेरी skin बहुत ही dry हो चुकी है. मैं winters काफ़ी साल बाद experience कर रही हूँ since मैं मुंबई में रहती हूँ और वहाँ ऐसा weather नहीं रहता. So it's not suiting me. I'm still in hunt of moisturizer. तो मुझे जैसे ही मिलता है मैं आप लोगों को बताती हूँ. So let's apply this. मैं ये fruit moisturizer use कर रही हूँ since मेरी skin बहुत sensitive है. तो बहुत सारे मॉइस्चराइज़र्स हैं जो मुझे सूट नहीं करते हैं, बट आप लोग कोई भी मॉइस्चराइज़र यूज़ कर लीजिए जो आपकी स्किन पे सूट करता हो. दिस वन वर्क्स वेल फॉर माइन, सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस. सो नाउ इट्स डन. लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Now that my skin is all prepped up and moisturized, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Conceal Color Corrector in the shade Orange. It lightens up my darker areas under my eyes. So let's use this. I'll be using very little amount so that ये अच्छे से blend हो जाए and ओवर ना दिखे. मैं इसे मोस्टली उन्हीं एरियाज पे अप्लाई करती हूँ जहाँ तक डार्कनेस है. नाउ लेट्स ब्लेंड इट. So next I'll be using this L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation in the shade Ivory. So I've just taken very small amount. You can see it is 2 to 3 pumps. So let's start applying it. I apply it very gently on my skin so that it blends well. I will not apply anything under my eye because it becomes very creasy to apply more and more products. So yeah, let's blend it in. So next I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer to conceal my dark circles and lighten up those areas. So let's apply it. So now let's blend it. So blending is the most important part, guys. It's like if it is done correctly, then your makeup looks flawless. It takes a bit of time, but it will be worth it. Let's keep on doing. Let's blend and blend. I'll apply some amount on my upper eyelid also so that I get a base for eyeshadow. So as you can see, most of the product it's blended. So next I'll be using this Faces Canada Compact Powder. It gives me a very flawless skin. So let's use this and fix our makeup. So now I'm going to do eye makeup. I have got this palette and this orange color is really very nice and vibrant, so it gives my eyes a very bright look. So now let's apply it. मैं मोस्टली एक ही आई शेडो लगाती हूँ क्योंकि आई एम वेरी न्यू टू इट, सो इट डज द वर्क फॉर मी, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. आई लर्न सम मोर ट्रिक्स एंड टिप्स लेटर. Next I'll be using this eyeliner from Sugar. So the liner is done and now I'm moving to Kajal, and I'll be using this Lakme Iconic Kajal. I really like this Kajal a lot. It gives me a very dark color, and the good part is that it doesn't smudges around. Next I'm using this mascara from Maybelline. Next up is my favorite part, which is blush. So I have this Lakme Absolute blush which I'm going to use. So I'm applying it. I really like blush part because it makes me look very flushed and vibrant. I hope आप लोग को भी बहुत पसंद होगा, but मेरा तो favorite part है. I really smile while applying it. I'm using this highlighter from Maybelline to highlight my cheekbones. I'll just apply a little bit. I'll tap with my fingers so that it blends well and gives me a good shine. To finish up the look, I'll be using Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Red Carpet. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed getting ready with me. So guys, you can see the whole look in my next video. Till then, give your girl lots of love, like, and don't forget to share and subscribe.